how to fix Xbox controller drift problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is press the Xbox button on your controller, go to your profile and system settings and check if there are any updates regarding with your software. If that is not the case, you want to simply press the Xbox controller button and then open the guide, go to profile and system settings, devices, connection and accessories, and select your controller and simply go ahead and click on calibrate. If that is still not the case, you want to simply turn off your controller, use a dry cotton swab or soft brush to clean around the base of the stick and remove dust, dirt, or debris that may have been causing drift. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your dead zones in the settings, as I already mentioned, or if nothing works, you want to try resetting your controller by simply pressing and holding the pair button, small button on the back for 5 seconds. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have